Welcome to the West End Radiator Resource Video Library. Today's video covers how to measure a flat header aluminum core. We're very proud to be one of the only aluminum core manufacturers in Canada, manufacturing a range of aluminum core styles at our Winnipeg, Manitoba shop. Our aluminum cores are manufactured in-house, built to withstand extreme conditions, and available for all industries. Today's video covers a flat header core, which is ideal for high-pressure, heavy-duty environments and rough conditions. Flat headers are 3/8 inch thick aluminum, as opposed to the standard 1/8 inch thick. In order to provide accurate measurements for our manufacturing department, you'll want to measure both the core and headers for a flat header aluminum core. When measuring an aluminum flat header core for RECORE, measure from directly in the center of the weld to the other center of the weld. For example, this core would be 5 3/8 inch. Then measure your width from the edge of the side plate to the other edge. If you're reusing existing side plates, you will need to measure the inner dimensions where the side plate sits against the core. For measuring the thickness of the core, hook your tape measure over the side plate and go across to the other side. For example, this core would be 1 5/8 inch thick. You can't measure the thickness of the core because there's something in the way, like a side plate or tank. Take a steel rod and push it into the core through the fins until it pokes through the other side. Once the steel rod is through, push it flush and hold your finger on the other side as a place marker before pulling out the rod. Then use your tape measure to confirm the measurement from your finger to the edge of the rod. When measuring the header's length, hook your tape over the one edge and move it to the other. If the tank isn't the same from top to bottom, you can instead measure from the edge of the weld to the other edge. However, 9 out of 10 times, if the tank is straight, it's always easiest to measure on the top header. For example, this header is 9 1/8 inch long. Now measure the width of the header. If the tank is even from top to bottom, hook your tape over the end, just the same as measuring the side plate. Finally, put these measurements into our core order sheet and someone from our team will follow up with next steps, pricing, and lead time. You can find a link to our core order sheet here in the video description or visit our website to get an online estimate.